In this video, friends, I will share with you how to log in First UniCredit Bank of Romania. So guys, go to Google and search for UniCredit, guys. As you can see here, search for this keyword credit banking, as you can see here, guys, and then you can add this keyword log in. After that, friends, click on Romania. You should be write your Romania and then click the first result. As you can see here, just write your all details from here, such your user ID, guys, and then click your continue, and this is for Romania, guys. After that, guys, if you want to log in on the app, just go to this one, UniCredit Bank app. This is for the app, guys. You should be download this app on the App Store or Play Store. So guys, after downloading this app, you will see the same thing on your login option, such online such online login, such this option. So guys, this is how you can do. Write here your name, username, and write continue. After that, guys, write your password for your banking online, and then you will log in successfully without any problem. Thanks for watching this video, guys. See you on another video soon.